your unique script anyway. But I would always try to reverse engineer channels that are working. So look what is working for them, why it's working, how it's working, what style for thumbnails and scripts they're using, and how you can use it for your own channel or niche. That's how I would go about it. Does that answer your question, Tuck and Lisa?
Yeah, for sure. It's just I've learned, I guess, that style doesn't work for MMA, or it appears not to, based on the results I've gotten as compared to the different styles of videos. But I actually came across, for example, if you look here, this channel, it's a snooker channel that's the rebound style, and it clearly works there because this channel is going crazy right now.
Yeah, and that can be different factors too, you know. Maybe this was one of the first snooker channels that did this style, for example.
Yeah, but I didn't actually see too many UFC channels that were doing the rebound style.
Right.
That's why I went for it, but it just didn't seem to pick off that well despite good analytics.
Yeah, I do know, for example, like MMA on Point, right? That's one of the biggest UFC channels that does that like rebound style-ish. And they have over 1 million followers, right? So if you're going to make the same videos as they do, but probably less quality-wise, then it's going to be hard to penetrate that market too, I guess.
Yeah, they're not Faceless anymore either. I don't know if they were, but they have like a podcast studio or something.
True. Yeah, I did a review on this last week. Maybe you've seen it in the school. On Top Luxury, this channel, it's a huge, like one of the biggest luxury channels, like doing mega project videos. They did like their first face reveal too in their last video, so that was pretty cool.
Was that right?
Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, like what you can do with something like this, like take the proven concept of this thumbnail style, right? With these real people in screen, and maybe look for another sport that is trending right now or that is coming up. Like, for example, here in Bali, like there's a fucking new padel course coming out every week or every month. So maybe that's like an idea that you can jump onto, right? I don't know if it's like a good sport since there's maybe no like famous players in there. But just as an example, just like do some research, see what is trending now, and see if there's new sports or new topics coming on. And if you can mimic a channel like this that is only 37 videos in and already has videos with like 2 million views, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. Like ideally, you want to find a sport that doesn't do this style yet, like the rebound style or this style, right? And then be the first in that market to do it. That's like the dream.
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
If you provide the high quality videos, like super high quality, then yeah.
Like I've seen it I know there's a few football ones, obviously that's done, but that's insane as well.
Yeah. And like this, like snooker is a pretty like, in a way, it's not as, I don't know how famous it is, but it's not something I would quickly like think about when thinking about sports, right? Like usually it's like soccer, baseball, whatever. Those are like more mainstream sports, but apparently these lesser known sports are really big too. Maybe you can do it for something like darts, for example. That's what I think about when I see like snooker.
Yeah, for sure.
You can probably do that same style here too.
And there's that chess channel. I know you've seen that one.
Yeah, there's a lot of chess. So that is like a big thing a lot of people got on last year on chess channels, because you had Andrew Tate playing chess, and then also during Corona you had this series, what it's called again, the Queen's Gambit. Those two things made chess like super trending the last 2 years all of a sudden. So that would have been a perfect time to start like your chess channel. And maybe you can even do a chess channel around this in this style, right? In the snooker or the rebound style too. I haven't